So here though, I make extra money on Facebook Marketplace. You know, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is find free things online. So on Facebook Marketplace, I always look, for things that are free. I came across this ad that said he had over 2,000 instrument clusters. He was retiring from the business and was giving it away for free. So I rented a U-Haul truck, and with gas, all in all, it only cost me $100. What I'm doing, I'm selling all of these at $1 a piece. So I got people I listed on Facebook Marketplace and my social media, and so far it's been pretty good. I already made my $100 back, plus a couple hundred more. I still got a large inventory left, but I'm selling them at $1 a piece. Had them for a couple months now. I am lucky to have this garage space that wasn't in use, so I am lucky for that. But there's plenty of deals on Marketplace, or again, just look for things that are free. I find things for free all the time, and I flip it. 100% or more profit. All you gotta do is look, guys. Car instrument clusters. If anybody needs, I'm located in Delaware. You gotta come and get it yourself, though. $1 a piece.